All right, let's start with your first pick, LVMH. Now, kind of explain this thesis to me. We've heard about LVMH and some other luxury makers being under pressure because of what's going on in China. What are the opportunities that you see now with Chinese stimulus?
So listen, when we think about what the aspects of the Chinese stimulus are, right? So there are three of them, right? So that we have like the monetary stimulus, the mortgage rate cut, and then they also have new monetary policy that's going to support the stock market. And so when we see when that announcement was made, the areas that kind of that reacted positively, right? We see consumer staples, financial services, semis, and software were the main ones. And so when we think about the Chinese consumer and what sectors really benefit from the Chinese consumer overall, luxury and clearly consumer staples. So Estée Lauder, Frank, listen, moisturizer is not a nice to have, it is a must have, right? And so Estée Lauder, we put that in that kind of luxury, in that luxury consumer staples category. And China has been such a huge part of Estée Lauder's growth over the long term. So they really kind of cut estimates in the past few quarters, really based on pressure from the Asian travel retail.
So, Tiffany, very quickly, if you don't mind me interrupting, while we're talking about Chinese stimulus today, I know you gave us your picks yesterday, but today, kind of an update that seems to be disappointing investors about this stimulus. In your mind, your thesis when it comes to LVMH and Estée Lauder, again, based off this stimulus, is it the idea that the stimulus continues, or do you think the stimulus we've already had, is that good enough to give that big boost in sales?
No, I mean, listen, I don't think that we're really seeing the entire implications of the stimulus play out. This is going to take some time. I mean, think about in the U.S. when we got stimulus checks and kind of coming out of that pandemic, it wasn't just a couple of months, right? And so, this is going to take some time. So we like both LVMH and Estée Lauder, not just in the short term, but in the midterm. When you look at where they're priced right now, really at a discount to their prices all year, they've gotten really, we really see this this China stimulus affecting them positively over more than just the short term.
All right, so you mentioned moisturizer is a must-have, but there's some other things that especially LVMH sells that aren't really necessities. I mean, we're talking about their wine and spirits business has been under a lot of pressure, some of their quote-unquote soft luxury. In your mind, outside of China, what reaccelerates the sales there? And here in the U.S., we have consumers under a bit of pressure. And in Europe, I was there earlier this year, consumers there are also under a bit of pressure.
Yeah, well, listen, LVMH, I call it the stock that the brand that has everything you need to have a well-luxed life. And to your point, they have so many different areas of luxury. So we're not, and we like that diversified revenue stream. So the consumer is cyclical, and I know we were talking about China earlier, but just to kind of put this in perspective, the Chinese consumer is about 20 to 25% of the total growth of LVMH. So we really can't take that and put that aside, right? And so, yeah, I mean, I think, really coming on to like holiday, we're expecting good things from LVMH, even outside of China.